Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Expedia payment declined error. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that your internet is strong because you need to have a strong internet connection for the payment to go through. Then, go to your app and then go to profile and check your account balance to make sure that you have enough funds. Then verify your card details such as your expiry number as your number, expiry date and billing address. Then make sure that your card is active and not expired. Then try the payment again or use a different payment method. If the issue continues, contact your bank as the transaction may be blocked for security reasons. That's how you fix the Expedia payment decline error. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.